right? Operator overloading. It's very important. Before we need to understand, right? I create a class AA like this. Class name is A. Right after finish, that I can create to the class AA to the object or something object, right? This is a call. This is a I think this is user defined variable. If I create a class to the class, I create object. Oh, right, object. This is a call. I think user defined variable. User defined. This is a I create a call. I create a class to the class. I create an object. This is a data type like this. This is a data type like I define int text like this. So data type and variable name. It's also data type, but user defined data type. This is a variable name SSS like. This is a call built-in data type. This is a call user defined data type and variable. User defined variable. Not this is a variable. Type is a user defined data type. This is a variable, but this is built-in data type. Integer, string, double like this. So you need to understand. I think can understand like this, right? In operator overloading, right? The mechanism of giving such special meaning to an operator is called operator overloading. It is used within, normally operator. What is the operator in C++? Operator plus, minus, like this. No, logical and arithmetic and logical operation. And I think like this. Those are the operators. But in my theory, I explain what are the operators can use in operator overloading, right? Now I move to the practical, explain to the simply what is the operator overloading practically, right? You have a small idea now. Right, I write a class operator, right? Class name is operator. After I define two variable, three variables like same x comma y comma z private variable. After public under the public, I write a method void get value, right? Value listening int a, int b, and int c, right? After define x equal a, right? Y equal b, right? Z equal c, like this, right? It is small method, it's simply method I write, right? The path to the argument and that value assigned to the private variable. After write other method, right? Void, this also public display, right? Display that, right? After see out, we can see out x and then, right? So like this, we can write x, y, z, we can see out, right? X, y, z, we can see out, display, right? X, y, z, x, y, z, z. You can write the x, y, z, done. After close the method. After now we can write operator method, right? This is very important. I think you have a new idea, right? You can write operator. Any name you can write. I write operator. Right after what operator I use, right? What operator I use plus operator and operator name after plus after method one after right what can do, right? Understand after I given x, right? X equal plus s. Understand all the things. Y equal operator now plus operator now plus y. right? Z equal plus Z like this. You want the value, right? Plus operator. After in the class. After very important that how it call, right? How it call this one. How it call this one. This case I told you. No, we need to know what are the user defined variables. No, variable type. What are user defined variable type and built-in data types. User defined data type also there, right? Void main after, right? To the class name is operator. To the class, we need to create object A like this, right? After A dot get value. You can get value method. You can call this value well and pass. If you like this, after pass some value 12, right? After minus 45, after 40 like this, can pass integer now, right? After see out, right? See out value. Values before operator call, right? Before operator call, right? Right? Call this one. Call a dot display. A dot display. This method. If you call this one, after pass this value, have display the I think normally a dot display. Right? A dot display. After now we can got idea how to call operator method. Right? Operator. You can see this is our object. This is a right? Operator means user defined data type to the variable. This is a variable user defined data type variable. This is user data type. This is user defined variable. Right? This one plus a, right? And write down plus. This is to the this concept we can call to the operator overloading method. This one. Call this one after x plus x like this. This means x equal plus s. Mean right? We can check. Right after you can see minus 45 there. No, this means what they happen. Right. After I think we can put here is 45 plus you can understand. We can put here minus like here minus, right? Right. Here also minus, right? To the minus we can call after see out, right? See out a minus time after operate, right? After you can see out. Sorry. After call same it. After this one call, after call this name. What the difference? Right? Understand? How to get CH. Get CH. Right? In operator, class name, create object, to the object, pass the argument. After call display method, no change, no simple things. After call operator, right? Our operator, overloading method, operator, right? After we write something here, right? Opposite way we can is x equal pi. After we can get a minus pi like this. Here is what is the output we can check after this one call. After we can check what is the output, right? But we can copy this one in C++. C++ this one, right? No errors. Lucky, no? No errors. After we can save this one. Save. Operator, right? Save after compile. After run. Can check. Right, small things we need to have the value call, which we need to write down something here. Right, slash name, right? After here also need to write down slash name. Right, after compile, now you can see the clear. Right, you can see here, and I can show you output also. You can see value before operator call 12, 45, 45. You can see 12, 45, 40. 45 is a minus, no change. 12 is plus 12. 40 also plus 12, no changes. After call, minus a call, after how what is come? 12 is minus, 45 is plus, minus minus plus, no, but 40 also minus 40. You can see if we need to use some, if we need to get something to the opposite way, you can use operator in your wish. If we need to do something, you can write opposite way. If we need to get some logical things. For example, something is one A is a true, B is a true, something happen. True, like this. You can use logical and operator also. Operator, plus not a plus or not a minus, you can put here and operator. After this concept, you can get, right? You can write. I think, I hope you understand. I think, thank you for listening. Next, my lesson, I explain abstraction and virtual function and late binding, earlier binding, all with together. This listening my, thank you for listening my video, and hope to come this video. Right? Thank you for listening.